It's an abandoned whaling station. According to your satellite imagery, Mr. Wayland, the pyramid is located directly beneath it.
Spread out! We'll use this base as a base camp. Mr. Quinn, begin drilling operations as soon as you can.
I'm on it. Okay, guys, let's move on.